Okay, guys, back for one last video. This last video is about the MyLab math. Oh, I forgot I'm in the teacher view. Let me go back to your view. So this is how yours looks, except without the red bar. Okay, so we're going to MyLab math. And then, like I said before, you click on a bunch of these links to another link to another link. I don't know why they do that. It's like very inefficient, but whatever. Okay, sorry, I'm just talking to myself. Okay, so here we are in the course for your homework. And mine looks a little different because I'm the instructor. Here's what yours looks like. Something like this. And you see two things. You see lesson media and you see homework. And homework is slowly revealed as the weeks go on. Like this is week one, so we're only covering 1.1 and 1.2. So you only see 1.1 homework and 1.2 homework. Let's look at the lesson media for 1.1 and 1.2. Or let's just do 1.1 actually. So here's a typical lesson media. You'll see three things. You see this symbol here for movies. That's like these little videos that are instructional videos. Click on the link and it'll open up a video. A lot of times, different students learn better from different teachers, different teaching styles. So maybe you don't quite gel with my teaching style. Here's an alternative that you can check out. They might also like cover things from a slightly different angle, or maybe cover something that I glazed over. So this is a good alternative to my videos if you want to have extra extra videos. That is like the terrible sentence, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this next one is the slides. These are probably the ones I actually recommend the most because it's kind of like an abridged version of the textbook. Gives you all the meaty parts of the text that you need to know. And if you click on this, it's going to cause you to download a PowerPoint, and the PowerPoint is going to have all the main points of the text. Or the third option is to just go through the whole textbook. This is also a good option because it has the most detail, I think, and it goes through just everything from that section. This is kind of like the thing, typical textbook thing. Also, you notice has some of the videos embedded in it. All right, you can just scroll. I'm not oh shucks, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this. Let me change my view here real quick. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Starting with definitions, typical textbook stuff. They like highlight a lot of the important things in these boxes. They give you visuals. They'll even give some example problems, which is really good. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Um, my very strong recommendation is that you do at least one of these three things, and I recommend either the slides or the textbook. The videos, that's kind of supplementary. So those are also good, but I'd say at least do the slides or textbook. That's just my recommendation to you. Yeah, this is not graded, but this is for your own benefit. And if you don't do it and then you don't pass it, don't blame me because I recommend that you do that. Okay, now, so let's go to assignments now. Let's talk about a typical homework assignment. So that's media, that's for you to learn the material, and then you go to the classwork, watch my videos, fill out the notes, and then you go to the homework. So here's a typical homework assignment. You can start from any problem, but why not start from problem one? Okay, so here's the questions on the left. Here's question one says, how is a sample related to population? Choose the answer below. So you have sometimes where you have multiple choice, sometimes you have fill in the blank, sometimes you have write the number out. It's a multiple choice question. The correct answer is a sample is a subset of a population, but suppose I got it wrong and I click on the wrong answer. It says, oh, that's not right. So then it gives me the option to try again. If I just leave it uncorrected, then I'm not going to get points for that question. But if I go back and try it again, then I do get it correct. And now once this is green, then I have credit for that particular question. And then your homework score updates in real time. So now it says I have 5.88% of the homework done. That will be your homework score. If you do all the questions correctly, then you get 100% on that homework assignment. Okay, here's another typical type of question. A parameter is a numerical description of a. This is supposed to be population characteristic. Let's say I got it wrong. Let's just say I got these mixed up. Or let's do half correct. Okay, it says one or more is not correct. If I just leave it like that, then I get partial credit. If I go back and fix it, I can go try again. And just like that, I get credit for it. Other options. So if you're stuck on a question, you notice the link down here to textbook. It's going to take you to the appropriate spot in the textbook to solve that. StatCrunch is a statistical tool. We don't really need to use that. That's optional. I'm going to give you guys a Google Sheet to take the place of that, which you can take with you after this class is done. The reason I used to use StatCrunch, but the reason why I stopped using it is because this StatCrunch is like a paid thing that you have to, um, if you wanted to use this after the class is done, you're gonna have to continue paying for it. So instead of doing that, I gave you a Google Sheet that you can take with you and use it as a statistics tool forever. You can keep it in your own Google Drive. Okay, other options, ask for help. And here's where you can click on Ask My Instructor. If you're really stuck with a question, you can try this. Type in your message to me, help, and then click on send. It's going to send me an email, and then it's going to also send me a link to the question that you're working on, so I can see directly what you're working on, the answers that you've tried so far. When you ask the questions, try to tell me what it is that you tried and where you're stuck if you can. But if not, then just send a help message and I'll email you back. All right, and that's basically, I think that covers it for the online homework. I think other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. Your progress updates in real time. So even if I close this window, then I'll have at least those points. See, so it has the green check marks for the problems I've done. So, okay, guys, I think that's it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me anytime. And I will see you. Actually, I probably won't see you, but I'll see you in the introduction page, the Padlet. Okay, guys, have a good day.